The company's been trading now for over 20 years. We started the company in 1987 and we started the company with a very clear vision of what we wanted to do. We wanted to help small and medium-sized businesses who were involved in inventory management. We're tending to go to market very much focused on the logistics and the warehousing sector. If businesses then want a financial solution, absolutely fine. We've got a clear offering for that, but that's really where our focus is aimed at.
Our aim with our software product is to have core business functionality with different ways of users being able to interface to that software. I'm responsible for the product development and also the chargeable services, so implementing systems, training, the support and any consultancy services.
One of our key business objectives is to develop long-term relationships, and I think we get that by providing a good level of service, by trying to work with our customers, and I think more importantly recognising that people don't want technology for its own sake, people want technology in business to bring the business benefit. So I think our expertise is applying technology to business to bring that business benefit. I'm responsible obviously for the general operations, but particularly I've worked quite heavily on the international side too, with our overseas partners.
I manage the services team within Proteus. That consists of the helpline, application services, technical services and development services as well. So for customer requests and bespoke work, then I provide the quote for that. It's very easy to do some bespoke for a client. The hardest part of it is ascertaining what their requirements are really. We sit down with the customer, we have a chat about what they do, what they want, we go away and think about it, and then we come back with a specification which they review and sign off, and then we schedule that development and program it.
My role is a support consultant within the company, and that entails taking first-line support calls and resolving calls. The important thing about support is making sure that the customer feels at all times that they can be helped, that we will help them to resolve their problems.
We run standard courses, and those courses can be attended by one or a couple of clients at the same time. But we also can amend the courses for individual customers if they want that to happen. The whole idea of the standard course is to allow people to see all the features in the software, and then once they've seen the standard, they can then decide what features they want to use.
I think the interesting thing is that we've retained our clients. We have an experience and a history of retaining our clients for a long time. So actually the very first customer who took Proteus and installed Proteus in 1989 is still a customer of ours. We recognised in the very early days that success is built on a firm foundation of actually servicing and looking after our customers.
We have Proteus on site since 1992. Initially it was a paper-based computer system, and we moved on then to RF, which is radio frequency. Within that we have scanners, and it's operated on a character-based system, which was very good when you moved away from paper, but now we've moved on further to version 7, which is a GUI version, and that's a graphical user interface. And for those of you that are familiar with a Windows application, this is how it operates. We find it very efficient. The upgrade has allowed us for better reporting. We can take everything off in Excel without having to go through crystal reporting. We also have a smart monitor, which allows us to keep our customers advised of their age stock balances without intervention from any operators. In the past, people forget to send an age report and upset a customer. Now there's no human involvement. It goes the same time every week without any input from ourselves. We would hope to move on from scanning to voice. We have operate voice in our Bondi facility at a low level with 10 pickers, and we're analysing this now to see what benefits it gives to us over and above scanning. I'm very happy to have worked with Proteus over these years, and they assist us in every way in their help desk and through their expertise for any problems we may have with a quick response.
I think there's a clear pattern for the future in terms of our focus. The way we're now going to market is very focused around what we would term as warehouse-centric. Lots of our customers have got both the financials, the order management and the inventory warehousing aspects of our application. We're really looking for businesses who've got a challenge in terms of the management and the movement of inventory through their organisation, whether they be third-party logistics operations, offering a service effectively to major corporates, or whether or even smaller operations, or whether they tend to be single entities who are looking for a solution. We're looking at offering our skills and the services we provide.